Hello and welcome everyone. In this video you will see how you can use the RSC Magic Tool to draw the resources and rules as diagrams of Primavera projects, and then you can export them directly to Primavera. In the first three videos we learned about these three methods for preparing the resources and export them directly from Excel to Primavera. If you have only one project, you can use this option. If you have more than one project, you can save all of these projects in one folder and then select this folder. In this folder we have three projects. Let us import the resources of these three projects. The information about each project will be displayed in this screen as information message. And now we have these three projects. This is for equipments and this for labor, the third one for materials. If you have only one type, you can export these diagrams directly to Primavera by using this option, and you can display all of these diagrams also as PDF chart or table. In our example we have three types: labor, equipment and material, so we can use the options of the RSC Magic Tool to change the type of the resource. First, let us copy these diagrams in the RSC diagram. Copy, and then we will paste these in RSC diagram. Okay, now let us copy the engineers, foremen and labor. Okay, this is the last one. Copy, and then we will paste them here. Now we will copy the third file. These are for materials. Let us copy the materials. Let us start again. Okay, these are our materials. Copy, and now we will paste these materials here. We can use only one type, and then we will change these types from the RSC Magic Tool. Let us make all of these resources as labor, and now we will prepare the table. We have about 980 resources in this project. Now we have the table, and we can change the type. For this it will be non-labor. You can use this option, and for this it will be material. And now we have this as equipment till this resource, all of these equipment, and all of these resources are labor. And we will start with materials, and we can change the type by using the RSC Magic Tool. As you see, this is the first material here, and we will select all of these resources, and then we will use this option to change them to material, and all changes will be done automatically by the RSC Magic Tool, as you see here. And we start with this suffix 1000. You can change this from this option. Now we will prepare the XCR file to export these resources to Primavera. You can complete the information about all of these resources, but in this example we will export only the resource name and the resource type and the resource ID. Let us prepare the resources. Now the file is being prepared to import it directly to Primavera. This is the database where we will import these resources. The file is being prepared. Now we have this file, and this is the number of this file. Let us go to Primavera and import this file. This is our file. Open. Finish. The resources are being imported to Primavera. These are the resources. We have this for the equipments, and then it will start with labor, engineers, and then foreman, and then labor. At the end of the resource dictionary, we will find the materials. As you see, we have exported 980 resources in a few seconds from Excel to Primavera. You can modify all of these resources, and you can complete the data of these resources by using also the RSC Magic Tool. Until we meet in the next videos, thank you and goodbye.